If your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry Baronis here in Fort Worth, Texas. Thank you for joining me once again on Larry's Fountain Pens. You might know me as Larry the Pen Bud Guy or Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews. You never know. I'm all over the place. What I want to share with you today is to let you know on what you're going to be seeing on this channel before or by the end of the year. I'm going to do a little bit of different flavor on some pens. I don't know if I want to share everything I'm going to do, but it's going to be different than I did last year. So, I can tell you this about some of my favorite pens. How's that? There's going to be like 3 parts to this one. Very hard, very, very hard choices for me. Because as you well know, I love all my fountain pens, right? So I'm going to have high-end, mid-range, and low-end in this selection. It took me a long time to get this done, and I'm still not satisfied because I want to bring more in. But I'm going to keep it in 3 different groups, and you'll find out more about it when I put all this together. It's going to be a lot of fun. I can tell you that. Maybe you can guess a few that I'm going to bring in. Maybe you won't even guess. Bam! Goes over your head. But I am going to have a good time sharing some of my beloved pens to each and every one of you. Okay, folks, I'll leave it at that until later. If you haven't subscribed, do it now. And don't forget to hit that bell. Bing, bing, bing. Wash them hands. Follow the rules. A lot of peace, a lot of love. I got a line on you, baby. Okay, let's rock and roll until next day. Don't text and drive.